Hey friends, if you encounter isdone.dll error while installing games in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, search for Microsoft C++ redistributable in your search bar. Go to the first link, which is to download it, and then scroll down. The x86 version is for 32-bit computers and the x64 version is for 64-bit computers. Select the x64 version and then click on open to launch the installer. Wait till the installer has been launched. Once it is launched, click on repair to repair it. And if it is not installed, then you can install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.